What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the credit builder card to improve your credit score in Cleo. Now Cleo's credit builder card is a great tool to strengthen your credit score, but how to use it matters. So here's how to maximize its benefits responsibly. First step, make small regular purchases. Now use the card for everyday essentials like groceries or subscriptions, and you want to make sure that you keep usage below 30% of your limit for the best results. Step 2, pay off the balance weekly. Cleo automatically pulls from your security deposits, so there's no risk of missing payments, but it's smart to keep an eye out on your spending so you don't overspend. Step 3, keep the card active. Use the card consistently each month helps you build a positive payment history, which is of course a major factor in your credit score. Step 4, avoid adding unnecessary charges. Now only use the card for purchases that you can afford. Since it's prepaid, you won't accrue interest, but overspending is going to reduce your available balance, which of course is going to affect your credit score. Step 5, monitor your score in the app. Now you want to keep track your progress using the built-in credit monitoring feature. Cleo updates your score regularly and shows which actions are helping, so you can do more of those and avoid more of the actions that are detrimental to your credit score. Used wisely, the Cleo credit builder card can be a powerful tool for boosting your credit. You want to make sure you stay disciplined, and you're going to see improvements over time. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.